Hi guys, in this video we will see how to go previously visited pages on your browser. If you want to show previously visited pages on your browser when you next time open your browser, first we will see in Google Chrome browser. Launch your Google Chrome browser and here click on three vertical dot against top right corner. Here scroll down and choose settings. Here from the top left corner, click on three horizontal line and here you will find the option on startup. Click on it and here you will find three options. Open the new tab page, continue where you left off, or open a specific page or set of pages. So choose continue where you left off, and next time when you open your browser you will visit directly to your last visited pages. If you want to open a specific page, then tap on this option and choose a site URL. For example, we will choose here a site URL www.tipshowto.com and click on add. Now close the Chrome browser, and when you open a fresh page of Google Chrome browser, you will directly visit this page. Open Chrome browser and you can see tipshowto.com will open now, which page you have added recently. So in Google Chrome browser you can directly open a recent last visited page as well as your specific page after each launch. Now we will see this process. If you want to change it, simply go to the same status and choose continue where you left off and close the windows. Now we will see this process in Firefox browser. Open Mozilla Firefox browser. Here from the top right corner, click on three horizontal line and choose settings. Here from the left side you will find under general settings a startup. Open previous windows and tabs. Open Firefox automatically when your computer start up, and always check if Firefox is your default browser. So choose open previous windows and tabs. Make the check against this option and you can directly open previously windows, tabs and pages. Now we will see it in Microsoft Edge browser. Open Microsoft Edge browser and click on three horizontal dot against top right corner and here choose settings. Here from the left side click on three horizontal line and go to the option start home and new tab page. Here scroll down and you will find on startup, open the new tab page, open tabs from the previous session and open custom sites. If you want to add any custom site, then choose add site and enter your site name. Otherwise, if you want to choose open tabs from the previous session, so make the check against this option. So in any browser you can directly open previously visited places on a startup of your browser.